Hello guys, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos and you are sending me too many messages, and I'm receiving call as well for thanks. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna explain step by step how you can apply the PCO license online. Because of the corona, they are not accepting any online applications. You can apply by asking for the application pack. Then they send it to you, then you fill it, then post it to them. But this is the long procedure. So my advice, now the online application is open, so please follow this step if you want to apply for PCO and apply online. So first step, you're gonna write it down in the Google to apply for PCO license. Then you're gonna hit enter, click enter. So there's ad, so leave the ad one. So if you can see my cursor, my arrow, apply for a private hire driver license, you're gonna click on that. Then this will appear. Then you're gonna go to how to apply. So then here it says start your application by registering online. You're gonna click on that. Then this page will appear. So you're gonna put your details. So you're gonna put your title, forename, surname, date of birth, then put it. I'm gonna pause this video. So when you put all the detail, it was asking the password, security questions. So when you done this one, then it said you're gonna receive an email. Which email did you put it? You're gonna receive that one. So when you're gonna click on that email, then your account is going to be active. Then you're gonna click finish. Then you're gonna log in again. So then you're gonna say register. We already registered here, so you're gonna log in. So when you're gonna come on this page, then you can go again, create your online account. You're gonna click on that. Then you're gonna say sign in. So whatever you have, an email and password, you just put there. So yeah, you can sign in. So but when you register, then they're gonna send you a link, like which is going to be look like this. It's in order to now complete the registration process, please click the link below. So you're gonna click this link, then your account is going to be the complete. Then you're gonna sign into account. We're gonna do now. So I already signed in. Now we're gonna apply. So there's a different options. So you're gonna check account overview, apply for license. If you can see, there's apply for license. So we're gonna click on apply for license. Then it say apply for single vehicle license. We're not gonna apply for single vehicle license. We are applying for private hire or taxi driver license. So we're gonna click on that. Now it's saying apply for driver license online or request driver application pack. So we're not gonna request the pack, we're gonna apply online. As I said before, this is simple and the quick as well. So I'm gonna apply online. So then selecting license type, so we're gonna select, please confirm the license type you wish to apply for. So we are applying for a private hire, so I'm gonna click on that. Then I'm gonna click submit. So yeah, so it's some step we need to do it. Type of license, mandatory questions now. So you must read this question. It's asking about the 21 years of age at the time of applying. You must hold DVLA license. You must have a right to live in the UK. I'm gonna skip these ones. Do you meet all the mandatory criteria above? Yeah. So I'm gonna click yes. So they're asking about the English requirements as well, but do not worry. So you no need English requirement at the moment, and you no need topographical test at the moment as well. First you need to apply. When you apply, then they will send you the email to book the SARU test and the topographical test as well. So I'm going to click next. Now they're asking for convictions and the character guidelines, so you're gonna put everything over here. So you're gonna read it. So they're asking for the apply for DBS as well. So we're gonna apply this. I have another video how to apply for DBS, so please check that video. So they're asking for when you're gonna apply for DBS, so they're gonna ask these information. Please make this note when you're gonna apply it. So saying make an online application with the first advantage, we're gonna do this as well. Then you're gonna do the medical as well. So if you're gonna click on that, just open in new link. So then it will say to register or sign in. So register on the right hand side, and we're gonna go back to, then if you want to do the medical, then we're gonna click on that, open in new link. Then this is the form, download the form and just take to the GP, they will do it for you. So application guideline, so you must read this all the information because it's going to be very important when you're gonna proceed the application. So they are saying we're gonna provide the DVLA check code as well, so I will just skipping this one. Are you exempt from the completing tph.enquiries medical? No, we have to complete this one. You will be asked to upload your, yeah, we're gonna do this one. So driving license application, so you're asking for please upload your tph 2024 medical form. So you need to choose the file, you have to save in your desktop. So I already did it, so you can save where you want. Then you're gonna click, mine is here, so I'm gonna click create a document. It's gonna take a little bit time. Yeah, it's done now. Your document has been uploaded successfully. Then we're gonna do the next step, press OK. So then asking, do you want to upload another page of the document? If you have, so it's my advice, you have to scan in one file, otherwise there's a 14 page, you have to do one by one. You can do that, but scan it in one file, then upload it. So no, just click on that. So in this section you have to put your details. I'm not going to show you this one, so you can just put your details. It's easy, simple. So when you put these details, is asking for, have you previously been known by another name? No. Please confirm that what type of driving license do you hold. So if you have EEA, then we have a DVLA. Please enter your DVLA driving license number, then issue date. Then please enter your DVLA share code as well. So you have to get the share code is very simple. For the last part, just write DVLA, because a lot of people they don't know about DVLA share code. Then you press enter. You're gonna click this one. Then you have to start now. Then put your driving license number, national insurance number, then the postcode. Then they will provide you this share code. So after putting these details, they're asking for driving. So please upload a copy of the front and the back of your DVLA driving license. So make sure you just upload it or save on your desktop, then you can upload from there. So click choose file, then I have this one. This is the front page. Then you're gonna create document, but it's gonna be asked for to upload another one. So we're gonna do one by one. So yeah, so it's good. You just press OK, and it's gonna be asked, do you want to upload? Yeah, we need to upload the back one as well. Now I'm gonna choose the file. So this is the back page. Click on that, then create document again. So click OK. Then we no need to upload more. So this is gonna be no. That's it. Now it's asking for Sero new test, so they will send us email. So then it's asking for the English language requirement as well. We don't worry about this one. You have to do these tests after when you submit your application. You no need to do now. So make sure you understand this one, because I'm receiving many calls nowadays. People asking we have to do this now, we have to upload this now. No, you no need it. So if you click this one, so there's an option, a certificate from a TFL point test provider, documentary evidence of English. So you should click first, at which center did you pass your test. So because this is closed now, so we're gonna select documentary evidence of English language proficiency. Please specify the type of the evidence you are providing. Yeah, so you're gonna click the third option, I will provide evidence of how I made these requirements by 30 September 2021. Then you're gonna click on that, then you're gonna submit. So in next page is asking for our DBS. I am currently licensed and no. If you have, then you can click yes. I have applied for an DBS certificate through TFL Authority, which is GPG. So you have to do your DBS from the GPG website, which is over here. This is called First Advantage Online Disclosures. You have to do the only from this website. Then I have to click yes. Yeah, so you have to provide your DBS. So if you don't know, this is going to be the number. This is on the top right. So in this page they're asking for what is your nationality. You're gonna put your nationality, what is your country of birth. Then please read through the pick list options. I am a UKE national. Yeah, so you're gonna do this one as well. After putting this one, so it's asking for upload a clear eligible copy of your UK passport, your passport. So make sure the copy should be in your desktop. So passport, then you just upload it, then create document. So you're gonna press OK. If you want to upload the other one, but it's gonna be the one copy, so no. So it's asking for the topographical skills. I have been previously licensed as a, we don't. So if you have already have, if you do the renewal, then but we are new application, so we don't have it. I am a licensed London taxi driver. We don't have it at the moment, so click no. I am a professional tourist guide. No. So then if you press all no, then they're gonna say you will be provided the topographical test. So you no need to now. You have to apply first your PCO, then the TFL will email you to book the topographical test. So I'm gonna press next. So then the next they're asking for other questions. Are you currently licensed by a TFL as a London taxi driver? No, because we are new. Are you currently studying the knowledge? No. Are you being previously licensed by TFL as a private hire driver? You click no. Are you applied for or being licensed as a private hire taxi driver? If you have, then you can click yes, but we don't have. In this case we are new. So in the next page is declarations. If you want to read this information all, you can. You have to read it. I confirm. So I accept this one. Then please indicate if you are happy by TFL to provide you with this information. Yes, we accept it. You have to read all the information over here. So I'm going to click next. No, yeah, so we have to upload the photograph in this step. So it's saying that please ensure you take a photo using your mobile device or camera. Scanned copies of photograph will not be accepted. Yes. So make sure this photo should be in your computer, then you can upload it. So I'm going to say upload file. So when it say, then you have to create, then it's going to be okay, then press OK. Then you're gonna equal opportunity minority form. So if you have, so you're gonna make the payment now, £310. Make sure you should have a £310 in your account, then you can go ahead with this transaction. Yes, when you make the payment, so then you have to, I make the payment, so you have to click next button. So then it is gonna say my application is successful.